Yo, 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 dude! Your homeboy 9 is back in town!
Oh dear, Math. Not 9 again. He's so annoying.
And tasty.
What?
Tasty. Because...
7. That's disgusting.
Because of that joke. Why was 6 afraid of 7? You know?
7. We do not permit barbaric acts of cannibalism in this law-abiding country.
Yo, 6, what's up?
Hey.
Brother of another color.
Ew, 9, stop trying to look like me.
Whoa, bro, what's wrong with that?
'Cause I got my own style. And you ain't got no style.
Shh, no more yapping. I came here because I need to ask bro a favor.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Cyber Beats kicked the 8 bro out of his place in Junk and Jellyfish subscribe account. But ever since he superglued my feet to my skateboard for that 24/7 naughty radical tubular look, I can't kick no more. 6, I saw you do that epic kick at a 7 last time, so I need your help.
Wait. You superglued your feet to your skateboard?
Yeah?
But then I just see you do a handstand a minute ago.
You sure did, bro. I did the gluing in between then and now, bro.
So, you glued your feet while talking to me?
Yeah, bro.
But why?
Because you said I didn't have any style.